Now it's in the shop. The album
It's
is
in
in
there?
the shop for
Okay.
sale. Foxy Funky Friend.
Okay.
All the proceeds goes to my school of music.
School of music. Okay.
Now plenty people think we are insane. How we got struck by a Cat 5 hurricane. That hurricane came from far. I said she came from the land of Africa. I am telling you that she traveled far, bearing the name of Irma, but not too many people know Hurricane Irma was a hoe. And the reason I know, cause that hurricane I'd like to blow when I tell you it ain't no tease. All you have to do is check the palm trees and you would see what I say. Oh, my blue most of their nuts away. I hope it don't make you blue. Oh, my blue away my nuts too. That hurricane had like a lot. She blew away my nuts, but she leave me with my lips. I'm telling you, I don't want no blister, but Oma did have a younger sister. Please, you listen to this. I know that a younger sister was Spanish. I'm gonna tell you this, and I care. Who else would have a name like Maria? Who believe in me? It is true. Maria had like to blow too, and if you are not deaf, she blew away all the nuts that Oma had left. I am not insane. Hope I never see Oma come back again. But this is really the fact. If she returns, I hope she brings my nuts. Now would you believe, because of that hurricane, I knew what hurricanes and women had in common? I figured it out. Because of a hurricane like that, you like to know? When they come, they are wet and wild. When they leave with your house, your car, your boat, and your money. Good night.
Oh, that's freaking awesome.